Got it working. Took a little bit of power running here, but servo drive is wired up. Yeah, we are running about 1200 RPM, just as a generic test to make sure the servo is working. And there it is. Belts aren't connected to the seat yet, given that this is just making sure that my power up of the servo drive is adequate. But now, check the manual. Definitely want to get this into torque mode, meaning that instead of spinning at a constant RPM like it is now, the signal going into the drive would be able to modulate how much torque, physical turning force, the axis or the rotor would produce depending on that input signal. So you could have no torque being produced, or 2 Newton meters produced, and it wouldn't be rotating. It would be trying to figure out what the current draw is through the drive at that torque rating, and then limit it in the drive to make sure that the pull on the belts matches what the torque rating should be as indicated and targeted for at the drive. So yeah, I think that hopefully that makes sense. And that torque setup is likely better than a positioning setup, similar to the way the servos for the physical rig are wired up and dialed in. Where here you're saying, I want this actuator to be 10 millimeters above where it is now at this real-time time log, and then a millisecond later I wanted to go 40 millimeters down. Well, that's position controlled, but for the belt tensioner, torque controlled is definitely the way to go. Well, I gotta clean up this mess, but stay tuned.